Hey, I'm Ian, and today we're at Chapel Hill, which is my number one spot of interesting places on the Central Coast. This area is located just north of Highway 46, just outside of Shandon, California. And let's go ahead and take a look.
Chapel Hill's story starts with a man named Judge William P. Clark, a well-known figure in the area and a rancher right here in Shandon. Back in 1988, Clark was piloting his small plane when a sudden crosswind caught him on takeoff. The plane went down hard, coming close to a massive fuel storage tank nearby. A ranch hand pulled him from the wreckage, badly hurt, but he was alive. Clark believed that this was no accident, so he made a vow. He would go on to build a chapel on the highest hill above his ranch as an act of gratitude to God for his recovery. 5 years later, in 1993, he kept that promise. The chapel is dedicated to St. Junipero Serra, and its design draws heavily from classic California mission architecture. Although I couldn't enter at the time of filming this, the building's history still really made an impression on me. Judge Clark and his wife Joan filled the space with remarkable artifacts. The ceiling alone is worth stopping for, and it's a 13th century Moorish original that was painstakingly restored. It also once belonged to the private collection of William Randolph Hearst, and out in the tower, 3 vintage bells from Chicago hang quietly until they don't. When those chimes go out across the valley, you really feel a sense of peacefulness. Serra Chapel is still privately owned by the Clark family, but it's never really felt that way. They've opened the chapel up to their community and traveling patrons, and it's open to the public, and people have been coming ever since. Some make the drive up the dirt road for Sunday Mass, and others just come for the view. No matter what brings you to the area, this spot naturally encourages you to slow your pace and take some time for yourself. The chapel stands as a stone-built token of gratitude, quietly perched above the world, offering a tranquil escape from everyday life. If you ever find yourself driving along Highway 46, remember to glance up at the hill and take some time to stop by for a moment of peace and reflection.